How to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So open up TikTok on your screen, and then once you open up TikTok, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, you may head over to the bottom right corner, tap on profile, and after tapping on profile, your profile page opens up. Now from here, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right, and this opens up, and from here select settings and privacy. Tap on it. After tapping on settings and privacy, all these options appear on your screen. So what you can do is from here, if you want to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok, you may head over the option called content and display, where you should be finding option called notification. Go ahead and tap on it, and after notification opens up, you may scroll down, and there you should be finding option called personalized post suggestions, where you'll be finding posts from people you may know. So all you gotta do is simply go ahead and turn this option off. All of these options, the one we are looking for is post you might like. Just go ahead and turn this option off, and that's it. After that, you may head back and you should be finding your you may like suggestions on TikTok being removed. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to remove that. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.